All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Trinity Moon fast to begin, followed by Pernicious, and running by Daral Classical, Jade Brushing, expecting Kaitlin. Bianca's Fantasy is racing fifth by Daral, and on the outside, ready to rumble spin cycle is the early trailer. Trinity Moon, expecting Kaitlin. Pernicious is running in third, running for Classical Jade. Bianca's Fantasy, Donori inside spin cycle, and ready to rumble. Inside the last 600, expecting Kaitlin by half a length. Trinity Moon, Donori inside. Pernicious is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Then here comes Bianca's Fantasy. Entering the last 450 meters more to run. Trinity Moon by the respecting Kaitlin from the outside. Bianca's Fantasy as they swing for home. 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Trinity Moon, Donori inside, expecting Kaitlin. Bianca's Fantasy, Pernicious, Classical, Jet Spin Cycle, ready to rumble. And nearing the finish line, Trinity Moon by some 2 lengths now, expecting Kaitlin. And finally, Trinity Moon. Expecting Kaitlin, Bianca's Fantasy, ready to rumble. And Pernicious comes in fifth. Classical Jade and Spin Cycle.